cvmc EC Unit 1 Complex Variables. Lesson 12. To find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. To find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv, if the combination of real and imaginary parts are given, that is u plus v, u minus v, u plus 3v, u minus 2v, etc. Problem 21. Problem 21. Find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv if u minus v is equal to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. Solution. Write u minus v is equal to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. This is equal to x cube plus 4x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus 4xy square minus y cube. X cube 4x square minus y minus plus 3x square y minus 3xy square minus y cube. This is u minus v. Say this is 1. Differentiating partially with respect to x, dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x is equal to x cube derivative 3x square y constant x square derivative 2x 2e into 3, so 6xy minus 3y square y cube derivative 0, x derivative 1, 3y square constant, x derivative 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. Partially with respect to y. So dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y is equal to x cube derivative with respect to y constant derivative 0. So we get 3x square, y derivative 1. Here y square derivative 2y, 2 into 3. So minus 6xy. Y cube derivative minus 3y square. Dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is minus dou v by dou x. Dou u by dou y is dou u by dou x is equal to 3x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. This is the third one. CR equations. CR equations. So dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Minus dou v by dou x. Look here. Here dou u by dou y means minus dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou y means dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x. F of z is analytic, so it satisfies CR equations. Use these CR equations here. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Left side dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x minus of minus plus dou v by dou x minus of minus plus dou u by dou x is equal to right side 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square minus 3x square minus into minus plus 6xy plus 3y square. So 3y square cancel, 3x square cancel, we get 12xy. Left side dou v by dou x cancel, dou u by dou x 2 dou u by dou x. 2 dou u by dou x. From this dou u by dou x is 6xy. 12xy by 2, 6xy. Now 2 plus 3. Second equation plus third equation. Dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x minus dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou x. This is left side. 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. This is right side. Left side dou u by dou x cancel, minus 2 dou v by dou x is equal to, here 6xy cancel, 6x square minus 6y square. 6x square minus 6y square. From this dou v by dou x is 6x square minus 6y square by minus 2. So 3y square minus 3x square. Now what is your actual formula? F dash z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. What is dou u by dou x here? 6xy plus I into dou u by dou x is 3y square minus 3x square. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in above f dash z. In above f dash z. So f dash z is equal to y is equal to 0. This is 0 I into 0 minus 3z square. So minus 3I z square. From this f of z is equal to minus 3I integral z square dz. Integrating both sides. Integral f dash z. Integral derivative cancel f of z. Here integral z square dz. Minus 3I z square z cube by 3. Integral z square is z cube by 3. 3 3 cancel. 3 3 cancel. minus I z cube plus constant, complex constant C. Second method, use some technique. Here given u minus v is equal to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. So multiplying x cube minus 4x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus x square y minus 4xy square minus y cube. So x cube plus 3x square y minus 3xy square minus y cube. Up to this the method is same, but you write here f of z is equal to u plus iv, multiplying both sides by 1 plus I into f of z, 1 plus I into u plus iv. Your 1 plus I f of z is nothing but capital F of z. 1 plus I into f of z is nothing but capital F of z. Multiply this u plus iv plus iu, I square minus 1 minus v. So from this we get u minus v plus I into u plus v. This is capital U. This is capital V. U plus iv. U minus v means capital U. U plus v means capital V. Capital U is u minus v. Capital V is u plus v. So u minus v is given means capital U is given. Capital U means real part. Real part is given. So what is your f dash z? Whenever real part is given, what is your f dash z formula? Previous formula, dou capital U by dou x minus I dou capital U by dou y. Whenever real part is given, you write this formula in previous problems. We use this formula in previous problems. Of course, there the formula in terms of small u, here in terms of capital U. Dou u by dou x means u means u minus v. U minus v derivative with respect to x. So 3x square plus 6xy with respect to x. 6xy, x derivative minus 3y square, y cube derivative 0, minus I into dou u by dou y with respect to y, x cube derivative 0, 3x square into y derivative 1, here y square derivative 2y, so 2 into 3, 6, minus 6xy minus 3y square, minus 3y square. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in the above. Capital F dash z is equal to 3z square, y0, leave it, minus I into 3z square, y0. This is equal to 3z square common, 1 minus I into 3z square. Integrating both sides, capital F of z is equal to 1 minus I 3 integral z square dz, 1 minus I 3 z cube by 3 integration, z cube by 3, 3 cancel, 3 cancel. So 1 minus I into Z cube. But what is your capital F of Z? 1 plus I into small f of z. 1 plus I into small f of z is equal to 1 minus I into z cube. So your required function, analytic function is small f of z is equal to 1 minus I by 1 plus I into z cube. This is minus I to z cube plus constant c. Note 1 minus I by 1 plus I, multiplying both sides by 1 minus I, 1 minus I whole square by a plus b to a minus I b, a square plus b square formula 1 plus 1. Here a minus b whole square formula 1 plus I square minus 1 minus 2ab by 2. So 1 cancel, 2 cancel, we get minus I. We get minus I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Multiplying both sides by 1 minus I. 1 minus 1 plus I. 1 minus I into 1 plus I. So 1 plus I whole square by a minus ib into a plus ib, a square plus b square formula 1 plus 1. This is a plus b whole square formula. 1 my I square means minus 1 plus 2ab, 2i by 2. 1 cancel, 2 cancel, we get I. So 1 minus I by 1 plus I is always minus I. 1 plus I by 1 minus I is always I. Note down. In this way we get the solution or analytic function in case of combination of real and imaginary parts. Use this technique. Better to use this technique, we get the analytic function very easily.